Okay, welcome again. This is Rashid from VerseAir. I'm going to show you how to create a service schedule. So here I'm going to show you two methods. I'm going to show you two methods you can use to create your service schedule for a Sunday. I'm going to show you the quick one first, which is the import. Now, this import method uses you can import PDF or a doc file where you can even and write it and you put it in here. It's going to create it automatically for you, and you just start adding the media items you need in each of your service item. So here I'm going to just get this file, which is a file that looks like this. Quick look, and you see here you have first service, you have second service. So it's like a what the service program would look like. So I'm going to open this and you will see VerseAir reading the file. Now it's going to show you now. Good. Now you can see it has auto populate every service item for that Sunday. As you can see, this is the first Sunday, this is the second service, first service, second service. Okay, now let's imagine this is for the second service. All right, so I'm going to select the second service, then I'm going to do import. Great. Now as you can see on here, it auto populates already all of the service item, including the times that has been allotted to each of the items. Okay, now the next thing you want to do then is to start adding in the media you require for the service item. Now, for example, this is welcome and opening prayer. All right, now also do not forget, before you start doing that, you need to have your screens created. All right, so let's say this is for the main all, of course. So you're gonna have say main projector. So let's call this main screen. Let's say you have two screens. I'm gonna call it main screen 1. Now you want to select what you want to show on that screen. So for that screen, we need the verses to show, we need the lower thirds to show, we need the background, also we need the lyrics, we need videos to show, we need slides to show. Okay, now do not select lobby. Remember, the lobby is for the lobby, and do not select stage message. Stage message is for the confidence monitor, which is what the pastor sees or the speaker sees in front, or so used to manage the stage timing and also. Now I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna create another screen. Call that main screen 2. Okay. Now I'm going to select the same thing and the slides, video, lyrics, lower thirds, background. Okay, good. I'm going to do that. All right, as you can see here now, this is the main screen 1, main screen 2. All right, now you can edit the service items. Now this is the welcome prayer. Now for the welcome prayer, or for all service schedules, service items, you can also select what you want to show up in the lobby at every point in time, or at each service item. Do you want the lobby also to be showing something? You can assign that here. And also, do you want the display image, that is while this item is going on? Of course, is an item, it might be an item that doesn't require a media item to show, or a video to show. So you want to set a default media to be showing, and let's say it might be like the theme of the program. Let's say that I'm going to select that now. So this is what will show while this is going on, and the praying and stuff. So I'm going to save that. Then this is worship, which is for songs, of course. Yeah, then you can select your songs here. All right, you can choose your songs here. You can select your songs here if you want to. All right, then if you want to set a lobby, whatever, also display image, you don't need that. It's not necessary for worship because the lyrics will be showing up. Okay, then we're gonna save that. Then I'm gonna come to here as well. Excuse me. Here as well, you need to, if you want to select a display image for testimony and Thanksgiving, maybe you want to make that as well. So I'm gonna just stop that. Then I'm gonna go live to show you how that would look like. So once you go live, as you can see, this is what will show up. Okay, so that is what will show up immediately, and that is what everyone will see on the main screen. Okay, on the main screen. All right, so if we go to the next item, which becomes the lyrics of the song, and you can start changing that, and you can as well go here to add more songs, you can start them immediately. You can browse song library, you can add songs manually if you want to. Then you can do all sorts. Now the next item onto that okay, then it shows that, and on and on and on. So yeah, so now as you can see, that service is live. So I'm gonna hand this at the end of the service. You see a service summary, sort of like analytics, get an insight on what the service was like, the one that probably wasted time, the part that wasn't didn't have enough time, all of that. You can get insights into how your service go. You can also duplicate these service to reuse it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop there as well, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. So that's how to create a service schedule. The fastest way to do it